So here's how we can lock certain apps on the iPad. So let me guide you through it. And if you are new here, definitely subscribe for more tips and videos like this one. Okay, so there are more ways how you can make it work. First of all, some apps, especially those which deal with banking or some kind of security stuff, can also access your Face ID and have the ability to lock themselves even naturally. So you can check out your settings, and when you go to the Face ID and passcode section, you will have the ability to see which apps can actually do it, right? So these depends on those that you download from the App Store, but it might be more or less. And this is the list of apps that have requested to use Face ID for authentication. So those apps might be able to lock themselves even like naturally within the app. But outside of that, every single third-party app which you have on your iPad, you can hold down on it as such and click on the ability to require Face ID. So you can kind of like lock the access to the app with the Face ID, meaning that unless you authenticate yourself, the app cannot be open. And what you can also do is to not only require Face ID, but also hide it away in the hidden folder of apps. So it's not going to be even visible on the home screen, and it's also going to be locked, right? So that adds a little more, like another layer of security. But what you can also do is to check out the settings app where you can find the screen time section. And in here, you can also like lock the app in the sense that you set up app limits or choose what's allowed or not allowed. And this is a little bit more of a restriction page. It's not like locking apps with like the passcode. So you're kind of like restricting the apps, but I guess that could also help you out. So I hope I was able to assist you and explain how it kind of works. If you're new here and first time on the Foxtecc channel, definitely subscribe for more tips and guides like this one. So thanks a lot, and I'll see you then.